The morning report for 7th October 2009. Well, the big news last night or yesterday was that Reserve Bank moved up interest rates by 0.25% or 25 basis points. Now, what effect will this have on the Australian market? Well, obviously the main effect it's going to have is on exchange rates. What this increase in interest rates will do, it will make Australia be the prominent place in the world for getting bank deposit returns. This will show an influx of funds into Australia over the coming months or years as people look for the higher return in our markets. Now, this will have an effect on the Aussie dollar, and we did see last night the Aussie dollar jumped up 1.4% to close at 89 US cents. Now, this could top around 92 cents with the increase in interest rates we've seen, but certainly this is always going to overshoot to the upside, and you may see the Aussie dollar move a lot higher in the coming months. The Reserve Bank also noted or mentioned that they're looking for further rate rises coming towards the end of the end of the calendar year. So we could see another 0.25% or 25 basis points coming through before December, before Christmas. Now, this is going to also have an effect, obviously, on Aussie exports as the dollar keeps increasing. And general feel is it will have a negative impact on the Australian market. We do expect to see Australian companies, or at least our market, pull back. Now, we've been expecting that for quite some time now. In October, it did try to pull back a little bit last week, and certainly I think now after rate rises and Reserve Bank news that rates will continue to move up throughout the rest of the year, we can expect to see that pullback in October and possibly in a little bit in November that we're expecting. That's all right though, because it's hard to find good value in this market right now. A lot of things have run very hard, and certainly a pullback will be welcome to get any spare and extra cash into the marketplace. However, this didn't affect the Dow Jones overnight, which is up 1.4%, the S&P 500 up 1.4%, and the Nasdaq put on 1.7%. The FTSE jumped 2.3% overnight, where our market lagged yesterday a little bit, up 0.4%, closing at 4,592. Now, the SPY is pointing up by 1.3% today, so we should see the market move up on the back of the US up to around 4,660 points this afternoon. Gold price jumped to an all-time high, up 2.2% to close at $1,039 an ounce, and the oil price jumped up 0.7% to close at $71 US a barrel. For more information, go to our website at growyourwealth.com.au.